As you go.
Hey guys, good morning. It's a beautiful morning, but it is cold as usual. Yeah. And this is one of the shopping I love doing. So I'm on my way to go shop for baking ingredients. Oh my gosh, I have a cake to bake weekend, so I'm going to the shop to buy some of my baking ingredients. Yeah, and at the same time, I'm gonna do a stop by at Savers to get some of my toiletries and maybe some of my cosmetics as well. So basically, I'm going to be getting my cake ingredient from Lidl, yeah, and my cosmetics, my toiletries at Savers. I love Savers. Like, literally, I get all of my cosmetics right there. Look at how I'm dressed. If I don't dress like this, cold will finish me. Okay. I am almost at Savers. Okay, guys, I'm done at Savers. I am on my way to Lidl. We are here.
Fresh.
Guys, I am done, so I'm on my way home. If you watched to this moment, thank you so much for watching.